So with question 13, it says, or it gives us a hint up here in the directions. The equation is in logarithmic form. Consider changing it to exponential form. So I can see that question 13 is in logarithmic form, partly because it has a log, a natural log. So one thing you may want to do on this question, since it's natural log, remember natural log just means log base e. So for question 13, you may want to rewrite it like that before we get started. Okay, and then normally the way you do a logarithm, let me do this out to the side. Say we evaluate these. Like if I want to know what x is there, we would ask ourselves 5 to what power gives us 25. So we can do that in our head, and we know that the answer is 2. So all of this becomes 2, and that's x. Well, the same thing that we do in our head that way, sometimes we want to actually write it down, and that's what exponential form is. So when I say 5 to what power gives me 25, I'm going to write it like this. 5 to what power gives me 25. So this is the logarithmic form, and this is its exponential form, and they really mean the exact same thing. This is a little easier for us to do in our head, just because we've had more practice with that, but this is equivalent. So over here, well, first let's think about how we get from one to the next. What I like to say is, if I want to switch it from logarithmic form to exponential form, I can make this logarithm go away if these two switch places, the x and the 25. So if those two switch places, I get 5 to the x equals, and then this comes over here as 25. So now let's do that over here. I can make this go away, the log part go away, as long as I switch the location of those. So that would be e to the -7 equals x, and that would be our answer there.